everyone, this is Selena.
This is Hallie.
We are close friends, global 친구. Let's learn Korean slang. 개 plus something. 개 plus something.
The word 개 literally means dog or absurd. When you add 개 in front of something else, it emphasizes the next part. So it means extremely something.
Yes.
So the first term that we will learn is
개이득. 개이득. 이득 means profit or benefit.
This word is a noun, so you can add 개 in front of a noun in this instance. 개이득 came from a gaming term, so they used to use it in online gaming chats.
Yeah.
And it then took off, and now we just use it in everyday language as well. For example, when someone picks up a very rare loot item in a game, they will type,
개이득. 개이득.
Kind of means like bonus or like win.
bonus.
What a win.
Yeah. So 개이득. 개이득. 헤일리, 나 이 가방 샀는데 내 스타일 아니야. 이거 줄게.
Oh, yay! 개이득.
개이득. 헤일리 개이득.
Bonus. The second phrase is
개사기. 개사기. 사기 means scam.
So in this instance, scam is also a noun. So 개 plus noun. It literally means what a ripoff or that's a scam. What a scam.
That you emphasize this with 개.
It's an extremely bad deal.
Extremely. 개. 개 사기.
So
개 사기.
kind of the opposite of 개이득.
Yeah, opposite to 개이득. 헤일리, 나 이거 10,000원 주고 샀는데 다른 가게에서 5,000원이야. 개 사기 당했어. 개 사기. 개 사기.
So 개사기 is also used not just for like pricing scams, but also for like phone scams or anything like someone was conned. You would also use 개사기.
개 사기.
The third phrase that we're going to tell you about is
개 더워. 더워 means hot.
So in this case, 더워 is an adjective. Hot as in temperature hot. So you can add 개 in front of an adjective to emphasize the adjective.
So it's extremely hot.
Last Friday, as we're filming, last Friday in Melbourne, it was 44 degrees Celsius. That day was terrible. It was extremely hot.
개 더워. 개 더워. 더워.
We still remember.
Yeah, 개 더워. 개 더워.
The last phrase that we will show you is
개 좋아. 개 좋아.
So in this instance, 좋아 is
like.
To like something. It is a verb. So in this instance, 개 plus verb. To really like something, to super like something.
개 좋아. Do you like us, friends? How much? 개 좋아. 개 좋아. 개 좋아. So remember, 개 plus something to emphasize the word.
And it can be a noun, adjective, a verb, anything really. That's the end of our video. Hope that was useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
좋아요와 구독을 눌러주세요. 그러면 다음에 봐요. See you later. Bye.